Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resend OTP to user email in a dynamic way. In our previous video, I show you how to create this OTP in a dynamic way, then authenticate user with the OTP in a dynamic way. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to resend a new code to user in a dynamic way. And if you have not watched those previous videos, please kindly check it out in our channel and watch it so that you understand how we have done this process and how you can be able to also implement such functionality in your application. It's very simple, and I make it simple so you can do it in any application. Doesn't matter. It can be mobile application, it can be web application. The process is the same thing. Just follow it and do it in any of the language that you are using. So without wasting more time, let's get started. First and foremost, let's create a new user account so you understand what you're going to do from the beginning. So I think that's what we are going to do. We're going to create a new user registration. So I'm registering a new user for this purpose. So I'm going to click on sign in, but you can name your button to be signed up, doesn't really matter. I'm just showing you a demo how it works, but you can restructure your application the way you want it. So I'm registering a new user now. Okay, so let's check our database if the record is there. Go refresh. All right, we have 2 records now. So what I'm going to do is to check the email if you receive this OTP code. So I'm going to refresh my email. The code have arrived. You can see here we got the code, the email. This email we just received. So what we are going to do now is, peradventure, let's say the email did not deliver, so user have option to click on resend code. So when user click on resend code, a new code will be generated and sent to a user. So that we are what we are going to implement in this video. So let's get started. Let me show you how to do such functionality. So go to this authentication page, so that we are going to implement it. And this is what you are going to click on. So we name it. This is the name we give to the button. 2FA new code. We'll go to our code here. So this is where the action is being called. All right. I think the best way we are going to do it to generate a new code. So now I think that's the best way to handle this. You can generate a new code and send to a user, or you can simply send the same code in the database to user again. So it depends your approach. But in this approach, let me just resend the code in a database back again to the user. So that will go implement. But you can regenerate a new code, doesn't really matter, I see the same process. Okay. So what we are doing here first, we are comparing to check to ensure that a user that is clicked on this code has an account already. So that we are checking here to ensure that if the email is not empty. If the email is empty, it's going to show error. But if it's not empty, they will not process it. So the next step here is to now get the actual code and send to user. So now what we'll do is this. We're going to remove this because we're only checking for the email, and this time since we are using in a dynamic way to implement this, so we're going to select everything for a user. We are going to remove this. We are removing this. Then replace this with this email here. So you're going to check the database where this email exists. So the same thing, if it's greater than 1, if there's a record, so we're going to have something. We're going to grab the OTP code in that row. So we can do it to say what was the name we use. Okay, new code equals let me check this to be sure. Let's go to database, check the name. The name is OTP underscore code. All right, OTP underscore code. Wow, that's correct. Then we are going to grab this details here and put it inside the block. I'll put inside the block. Yeah, good. So you can take a look at it, how we're doing it. So we're going to remove this. We don't need this here. We're only using this email. This email is already in the script. If you are following us for the beginning, you understand how we get here. If you have not watched our previous video, you can check it out so to understand where we are coming from. Then we're going to say, okay, if else or if there's nothing, if there was no match, we'll just display error message. So that's it, guys. So if you are checking if the row is greater than 1, if there's a match, then send a new code. We'll just give it a new title or new verification code. New verification code. That's it. So let's give it a try and see what happens. What we are going to do first, we are going to delete this email that we received before. Let's delete it to be sure if we got the new email. So I'm going to just refresh this page, refresh it. Then let's click on this resend. Let's see what happens. Now you can see it said the code has been sent. Please check your email. That's so fantastic. So implementation worked successfully. From the beginning to the end, everything is working fluently, just the way we wanted it. So now what we are going to do now to check our email. Let's see if this email actually deliver. Let's go and check our email. Wow, you can see it. New verification code. Okay, this was the title give to it. New verification code. You see right here. The subject, that is subject we give to it. And that's what you are seeing here. Let's zoom it a bit so you can see it. You see it, new verification code. Awesome, so awesome. You can see the code, it came. The code is here. Now let's check our database. If it's the same thing that we have our database, you can see it, the same thing we have our database. See it, everything is working beautifully. Everything is working as expected. Okay. So guys, that is it. We have also shown you how to implement resend code to a user in a dynamic way. So please, if you have not watched all the previous video, kindly watch to understand where we are coming from to this point. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out of our video each time we post a new video. And if you are watching on Facebook, please kindly subscribe to our page, follow us, also share this video. If you have any issue, please drop your comments and I'll be glad to assist you. So that's why I'm here. Without you, I will not be here. I'm here to support you to become a better developer, to solve any challenge, any problem you have. If you have any requests, please drop your comments, let me know, and I'll be glad to assist you. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.